Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Yusra's Kitchen Inspire Home Cooking. Today I bring you my improvised version of my first vlog recipe, that is New York chocolate chip cookies. And let's get started. Here I'm using 110 grams of dark chocolate, which is 50% cocoa. I'm using 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda, quarter teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of melted butter, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. So these are the ingredients. Very simple, and let's get started. I'm using a big bowl and I have already chopped my chocolates into medium to big chunks because I like. If you want to keep it really small chunks, you can keep it, or you can use chocolate chips also. I'm using here chocolates because I like it. Now let's get started with the steps. Firstly, we are going to add the butter. Make sure all the things are at room temperature. After adding butter, we are going to add the sugar. I'm going to simply mix it, stir it a little bit. Then I'm going to add 2 eggs. Then we are going to beat this vigorously till the eggs get a foaming texture, bubbles like. You can see how is it lightly foamed. So the color should be a little dull and they should be really foamy. There is no need to use electric beater. You can do this with hand about 5 to 4 minutes. And after that, we are going to add all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and vanilla essence. After mixing all the ingredients, we are going to later add the chocolate. So basically, first let's mix this. The batter should be thick like this because we are going to shape it in a dough form. Now I'm going to add the chocolates. Don't think that it's too much chocolate because this will make a dough. Make sure to measure all the ingredients properly. That's the only secret to make New York chocolate chips cookies, because this recipe can make very big cookies. If you want to take a small portion of the dough and just bake it, you can see how big they will turn, but I'm not going to make that much big. Basically, my cookie dough is ready. So simple. No lots of work. It's just a little work and we are done. Now I'm going to take an oven tray. I have lined it with aluminium foil and I have taken in a small bowl melted butter. And to form a shape of a dough, round shape, we are going to spread a little oil into our hands, into our palms, and then take a small portion of the dough and just roughly make a little ball. And I have, as you can see, I have left the spaces between the dough because I want them to spread. How much they can spread, they can. You can keep this batter for about 3 weeks inside the refrigerator freezer, in the freezer, and bake this at 180 degrees Celsius about 20 minutes. When they are done, they are really big chocolate chips cookies, really delicious, really flavorful, no fuss at all, and really chocolatey. It's like a size of my palm, that big. I don't know if you could see that, but it's really big. So how much space you leave, they will spread that much. If you want to make it really big, they can be turned into really big. Thank you, Jazakallah. Hope you like my improvised version. Thank you.